Dr. Murti, who belonged to the first batch of journalism students at Usmania University, and I had also the very pleasant task of shaping the department in cooperation with Dr. DeForest Odell and N.V. Krishnamurti, who is both a student and assistant registrar of Usmania University. Journalism is responsibility. That when you are writing something, when you are sending it in a newspaper or radio or TV, it has effects on the audience. So you must be very careful in reporting. You edit your program accordingly. And keeping this in view, we have started, we means the first batch, we have started a laboratory journal called Usmania Courier. I was its first editor. For 1 or 2 years also I continued. That will teach you what printing is, what other studios are, and so that you may not be a newcomer to this media. Please keep the audience and their reactions in view when you are reporting. And congratulations to the newcomers and graduating students. It's a pleasure talking to you, and I'm sure the new year will bring new experiences in media writing and media presentation.